Hello, beautiful heathens. Welcome to my channel. I am now a 57-year-old elder goth who managed to survive the 80s, the 90s, and Y2K, yet still struggles with the eyeliner. Today, we're opening my very first blind date with a witch box that I purchased from Cabinet Apothecary on Etsy, and I will leave all the information in the description. But first, let's get rid of this pesky little intro, shall we? Cue intro. So, this is the box, and it smells really good. This is very nicely packaged, as you can see. So we will open the little thank you card that's at the very top here. Oh, that's cute. Tarot business card from Sara Drum, who's the owner of Curiosity Cabinet. I will leave all of Sarah's information in the description, and I cannot wait to see what she has sent to us. Oh, I hate ripping this. I really do. It's just going to have to rip because that's on there. Ooh, oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Now we just got to have to keep it from sticking on anything else. Okay. This cute little bag. It says, definitely not a bag of poison. Wink, wink. So we will put this to the side. And then we got little peanuts. Peanuts. Here you go, Star Raven. You love them. And I want to thank my beautiful friend Selena from Essence of the Moon, who has opened several of these blind date with a witch boxes. And so it was seeing the wonderful items that she got that prompted me to pick one up for myself and see what I got. Oh, what is this? This is selenite, but this is like the smoothest selenite I've ever seen. It's beautiful. Do not let selenite get near water. It will destroy it and evaporate. This is beautiful. Very nice. Nice selenite wand. And that's great for banishing and cleansing your aura. So, next full moon, I will get you all nice and charged up. More peanuts. It is fun doing this. I get the fun. Ooh, what is this? This is an Aura Clear Quartz Inspiration Pen. And you know I need one of those. So here it is in the package, but let's take it out. Yes, yes. Oh, isn't that lovely? Hopefully this is picking up well on the camera. If not, I will take a video. Don't look at my nails. Sorry, guys, I did not do my nails. That is wonderful. I can't wait to use that. Ooh, hematite zingers. And it says, separate them and gently toss them up into the air. Then catch. They will zing together, creating a noise and vibrational energy. I like to do this 3 times before performing spell work to increase the energy surrounding me. Oh, how exciting. And it says, keep out of reach of pets and small children. Let's look at these. I never knew that could happen. Ooh. Oh. Oh, how neat. That is. Ooh. That's pretty cool. I really like that. Ooh, this is very nice. Hematite is really good for dissolving negative energy and for grounding the root chakra. Also really good for mental clarity and confidence. And here we have a pendulum board. So it comes in both goth and non-goth, or the white, the pale goth variety, whichever you prefer. Very nice. And then we have a raw amethyst keychain. Let's take a look at that. Wow, there's so much really good usable items in here. I love it. And this is a beautiful piece. You see that? It's gorgeous. Amethyst is great for promoting calm and provides spiritual protection, and it's great for mental clarity. What else do we have? We have an agate pendant and necklace, it looks like. See that? It's beautiful. We'll take it out, give a better look. Yes, it's definitely a necklace. Ooh, it's so beautiful. I love this stone. Agate is wonderful for protection, healing, and emotional stability. Then we have a little witch's hat. Very cute. Oh my gosh. We have a little candle, and these are great for traveling, especially in hotels. A lot of them don't even allow you to burn candles now. These are good to use in a pinch for travel. Always can use more of those. Oh my gosh, a little witch's broom. Is that adorable? Love it. Ooh, and a spoon. Ooh. I don't know what the stone is. This is a clear quartz, but it's a little golden spoon. These are really good for spooning a little bit of incense on top those little charcoals that you burn incense on top of. Wow. Oh, this is the pendulum for our little pendulum board. And if my hubby or my bonus daughter were here, they could tell you what this what this stone is. I don't like to guess, but it's beautiful, is it not? Hopefully you can see that well. If not, I will leave a picture. And here we have quartz, a quartz mushroom goddess. Wow, there's so many very cool items in here. Aww, so cute. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I will take a picture. Adorable. My gosh, this is like, I don't think I've ever gotten this many presents. This is blue, calming and peace promoting salt. Very cool. I noticed that she has several different colored salts, which I'm only used to using the white and the black. So interested to try that out. And then we have an obsidian bat. Who doesn't need one of those? Every goth I know of needs one. Of course you do. Ooh, and it's pretty. It's very pretty. Ooh, I was just going to buy this today. I was looking at it. And this is the Yule Room Spray mini size. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know what all is in here. Does it say? Oh, it definitely says Yule to me. I mean, there's got to be cinnamon in there, but almost like some pine in there. I don't know. I'm awful with scents, but all I know is it smells good, and I will be using it. So the Yule room spray. And our last item is a protection spell jar kit. Ooh. So I will be doing probably a separate video of this spell, but it looks like it's got lots of neat items in it. So we will save that one for later, an later unveiling. Definitely be looking out for more of those from Curiosity Cabinet Apothecary on Etsy. And again, I will leave all their information in the description. Please go and check it out for yourself. I believe you will not be disappointed. You'll be thoroughly happy as I am. So until next time, beautiful heathens, please take care of your fellow goths and other alternatives, both online and in real life. And until next time, I love you all. Bye. Why did I call you Wiener?
You got wiener on the brain.
It's a phallus. It's a phallus thing. Speaking of phalluses, no, okay.